Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to activate night mode on Instagram. Now switching to night mode on Instagram is not only stylish but also easier on your eyes, and here's how to do it. The first step is to enable dark mode on your device. Just go on your Android, go to settings, let's go to settings right here, and then go to display, and display options right here. And we're gonna search for dark mode and enable it. Let's see here. Yes, this is the one. It's right on the top. You can choose from light or dark mode just by toggling. You can see it changes, the theme changes. I already was using the dark mode, but if you want to switch between light or dark mode, you can use this. Let's see, for example, I chose the dark mode. We're gonna access Instagram. As you can see, Instagram is on dark mode. Let's switch it back. I switch to the light mode right here. I'm gonna go back to Instagram, and as you can see, Instagram automatically changed its theme to dark mode right here. You can also use Instagram's theme settings by opening Instagram and tapping on your profile picture, and then see here, tapping on your profile picture right here and clicking the three horizontal lines on the top right corner, and go to theme and choose dark to apply the mode. Now for additional tips, dark mode reduces eye strain in low light environments, and it also saves battery life, especially on devices with OLED screens. You can also toggle between light and dark mode depending on your surroundings for optimal comfort. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you activate night mode on Instagram. It's very easy and very simple. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.